Welcome to Hell of a Homestead. Today, our goal is to clear out this garden bed. At the end of this video, I decided to give away the rest of my sod to a family who needs it. So stick around to the end of the video to see the progress we made on the garden bed and to see how much we gave away. So I rented one of these things. Very handy. Love it. Who needs snow when I got grass? Alright, so this side is done. Looks good. I did encounter this issue where there's a giant rock here. And I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but we'll get there when we get there. I'm on the final 2 cuts. This has taken a long time. It is a big learning curve, but a lot better than doing it by hand. I didn't plan out my path very well, right into a big mound of the dirt. It also started raining, so that's been great. It's actually been pretty nice because it cools me off because I'm sweating like a hog. It's actually not that bad, but I'm over-exaggerating for YouTube. All right, I am finally done with that. Now you just need to dig up all the grass and put it somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put all this grass. That was way too heavy. I need to remember next time to do it a little lighter. But today, I'm going to empty the right side path and try to get a little feel of what my path is going to be like. And then if I have time later today, I'm going to start clearing out the whole garden bed. So let's do it. What I love about this wheelbarrow is you can never hear me coming. There's glass everywhere. How is there glass 2 feet underground? It doesn't make sense. When I say 2 feet, I mean 2 inches. I also discovered an ant colony. So that's fun. So I don't think I ever cut this way. So some of these are gonna be long. So I realized that I never cut vertical for these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my edger and just go straight down and make the lines so that way it's easier to dig up. Well, let's hope that did something. I don't know if it did anything, but let's test it out, I guess. My plan worked. Now it's gonna be a lot easier because originally they were very long strips going all the way down, but now they're squares, little rectangles. So I just made my life a lot easier. But these are so heavy. On the internet, it doesn't look this heavy. You're all liars. I'm telling you now, very heavy. Each square is like 5 pounds minimum. It's ridiculous. I'm definitely getting a workout and I'm very sore. So I will continue this tomorrow. All right, so I'm back here again. My plan today is to do at least maybe half or more of the whole garden area. I've become smarter and I'm going to put all the grass in the back of the ride-on. I think that will be easier than wheelbarrowing it up to the front. So the people who came needed all of the sod for a product because the dirt outside of their house couldn't grow any grass. So I decided to give them all the grass I had. So they were really appreciative. They're going to be picking this up later today, and I hope they enjoy it. And I can't wait to start planning out the path for this garden bed. And if you haven't yet, make sure you click the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.